Hello everyone, welcome to our leader tutorials. Hope you all are doing good. So today in the leadership life hacks for attaining the success, we are going to learn about 6 E rules of leadership. So what are these 6 E rules of leadership? Number 1, leader has to be always energetic. Number 2, empathetic. Number 3, effective. Number 4, efficient. Number 5, extra mile. And number 6, extrovert. Okay, so these are the 6 E rules of success according to me. What are your 6 E's? Please write down in the comments below. So let us learn quickly what do we mean by all the 6 personalities, all the 6 qualities, all the 6 skills of this leadership. So energetic. The leader always has to be energetic, and that should reveal in your work, in your passion, in the way you work, in the way you deliver, in the way you communicate, in the way you are working. That should be your point of showing that you are charismatic enough to deliver what you promise to deliver. Okay, so leader always has to be energetic in terms of your health as well as the well-being of others also. It's not nobody is going to listen if you are at your almost low. Okay, no matter what goes on the personal front or the professional front, you have to be energetic because you are going to impact a lot of people, right? So do whatever you are doing with ultimate passion, ultimate enthusiasm, so that you can deliver it to your best. So that is what I meant by energetic. Okay, next, empathetic. Be empathetic, as I always lay emphasis on this word empathetic, because without empathy there is no leader, there is no one who can rule the world. Okay, so without understanding the problems of the people, or without even understanding with empathy and compassion, you are not able to deliver, or you are not even able to connect with anyone, right? You can connect with so many people at so many levels, at so many things. Once you understand them, once you understand what they are struggling through, once you understand their challenges, then only you can offer a solution, or or solve that problem, or offer a decision making, and it also helps in decision making, right? So have that empathetic attitude towards others. Number 3, effective in everything you do, everything and anything you do. Be effective in your approach towards decision making, towards your results, towards your delivery, towards your work, towards your goals, towards your achievements, towards your success. Be effectively deliver that thing. Be effective in your communications. Whatever field you are working in, be effective in that. Efficient is, again, I would say, another adjective added over here, but then in efficiency I would mean to deliver it your 100%, right? Even if you are at 80%, or you think you are at 70%, try to be better than the previous day, and then try to do the best. Slowly and gradually you are gonna deliver the best and attain that ultimate perfection, which is the sophistication to deliver it with efficiency and reach that 100% mark. Alright, next is extra mile. So you have to go to the extra mile in certain areas or certain territories which is unknown to you. So have that extra mile is traveling those unknown areas or unknown arenas or unknown geographies, I would say, not in terms of traveling and physically traveling, but in your technology domain, in your personal domain, in your life, in your work, in your passion or hobby, or whatever you are doing. Go to that extra mile to learn that new thing, or the new skill, or the new knowledge which you can attain, so that it pushes the boundaries. Push your own boundaries yourself. Okay. Next, extrovert. Yet there are personalities who are leaders, still leading like an introvert, but then impacting a lot of people takes courage, right? And to have that personality to communicate what you really want to communicate, what you really want the people to understand, you have to go beyond your comfort zone, and that is what is called and being extrovert, connecting with people, connecting with situations, connecting with challenges, going the extra mile, and being extrovert in dealing with those challenges and situations and whatnot. Okay, so these are my 6 rules of leadership success, standing with E: energetic, empathetic, effective, efficient, extra mile, and extrovert. Hope you like it, and these are going to help you out in the long term. DM me for the more insights on leadership training, coaching, and mentoring, and do like, follow, and share, repost, and connect for more insights on the same. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye.